This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 9 inches in length and features a Chestnut interior, sleeps 5, water heater, spare tire kit, TV, microwave, self-contained, slide-out, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear dinette, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD is 7,660 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition STT302 VRD. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.